discontinued operations? Now the definition is given in IFRS 5 para 32. Now a discontinued operation is a component of an entity which you want to dispose of, which has either been disposed of or classified as being held for sale. Now it represents a separate major line of business, so it can be a major line of business, a product for example, or it can be a geographical location, for example a franchise or a branch in some other city. It can be a part of a single coordinated plan. So if you have a whole plan to discontinue the business, so it can be part of that plan. Or finally, it can be a subsidiary which you have acquired solely for the purpose of reselling. Now, once you have classified something as discontinued operation, you need to show the performance of discontinued operation separately. Why? Because the users want to see the performance of the continued operation. They want to see how the entity is going, and they want to separate it from the discontinued operation. So the continued operation activity will be shown first, and this will enable them to decide the future performance of the continued operation. Now, the single amount which will be shown to show the performance of the discontinued operation, it will comprise of the post-tax profit, which means the after-tax profit of the discontinued operation and also the post-tax gain or loss which is recognized on the measurement to fair value less the cost to sell. Now, this can be shown in the income statement. The analysis is used and it must show the revenue, expenses, the pre-tax profit and the related income tax expense. Now, how it is shown in the statement of profit or loss. Now, this is a statement of profit or loss with a discontinued operation. First, you will give the continuing operation details. Once you are done with that and you've given the profit before tax, income tax and finally the post-tax profit, you will add a single line for the discontinued operation. This will show the profit or the loss from discontinued operations in a single line. Now the details will be given in the notes to the accounts where you will do exactly the same as you've done for the continuing operations. Thank you.